unboxing and first look of this Coolpad Cool 1, because you see it's a quite few times this phone has been launched, and I think the reason why I'm been doing this unboxings after so long time is because when this phone was launched, its price was around 12,000 rupees, but now when I use my credit card I got this phone for 7,200, and believe me, it's a huge discount. So I thought of like unboxing this phone, and this phone, I bought this phone at this time because it must be having some few qualities. That's why I bought this phone. So today I'll be sharing my qualities, my thoughts why I do buy this phone when there are so many other phones in this price range. So stay tuned for this unboxing. Cool 1, as you can, the name is written over here. So let's open this phone. Then let me tell you this, I got this phone by Amazon, and it was delivered to me on 27th Feb. Now let's look on the phone. You see, let me open this. You see, it's a phone. It's look obviously classy. You see, it's got a double camera. Let's keep this phone aside. Let's look what's inside. You see, it's a cold for warranty card, and it's, I think, tampered. And this is Coolpad user manual, and this is the charger. I think it's not a fast charger, it's a basic 3.5, yeah, 3.8 volt charger. So now let's move on to the phone. You see, it's written 8 megapixel front camera, 13 megapixel dual rear camera, it's a 3GB variant. It's got a fingerprint scanner, it's got a 4000 mAh super battery. You see, let me give you a physical overview. You see, the phone has got a dual camera, it's got a dual flash, fingerprint scanner which is placed at the back. Let's rate the weight, and the phone is 3GB to 32GB. It's made in India. It's gold color variant. I think it's be available on black or silver, I don't know, but it's a front camera. It has got a IR blaster also. You see, it's here, and it's very lightweighted. Now let's look. I basically opened it phone because to set the phone. Now let's move inside. You see, this is the phone. I haven't set my fingerprint yet. You see, the phone is classy. It has got a typical Coolpad UI. So this is the phone. You see, the USP of this phone is that it's got a dual camera. Let me show you. It's like working like this, and you see, let me show you back camera. It's got a nice back camera even, and it's got, you see, few modes like it's night, video, photo, beauty, pro. Let me show few photos what I clicked. You see, it's my brother. I clicked the photos. The photos are clear. Let me zoom it for you. The photos are still not losing their pixels. It's also my brother, and let me show you a few more. It's also taken from the back camera. It's like SLR mode, which is embedded because of the dual camera. And let me show you a few more things about that phone. Its setting. Let me check what had accessibility. You see, it has got few features more about phone. Let me check what's it's got. It's UI version 5.8.01 stable. Android security patch is of 1 March 2017. Android version, it's with Marshmallow. You see, it's with Marshmallow. Yeah, it's with Marshmallow. Now let me check few more things. Let me check the storage. What it has, it's got a fingerprint scanner. I'll show you in my next video, because I want to do some more tests where it's got fly down, all that things which you can get. Let me, where's the storage? System storage. It's the storage, and you see, it has got a 32GB capacity formatted to 29.12 GB. It's basically, the phone is using 6.33 GB and available is 22.79 GB, which is quite good. That's not bad. Storage basically 32 GB variant this is, and but the now let's talk about some few drawbacks. You see, this phone doesn't come with the fast charging. First drawback, and the second drawback that comes to my mind is that you cannot expand its memory. Like, it's 32 means it's only 32, and anymore, no, not anything else for this price point basically. But now let me check something else. That is, you see, the few of the details are mentioned, and you see its fingerprint is quite fast. Let me show you now. I said that I'll show it, but now let me show you. Where is it? Fingerprint and password. Where is the unlock with fingerprint? Add a fingerprint. Pattern. See, this is a pattern. Confirm. It's one more. then confirm. Not now. Let me add a fingerprint. And now it's just about to be and okay. So let me do this. You see, the phone is unlocked and the phone is, it's quite fast. You see, this opened. Let me show you one more time. It takes even less than a second, which is quite fast. Around quite few time, or basically some time now. What my view about this phone, or what you should buy 2K18, is that, you see, if you got a low budget, I think the competitor for this phone was in Focus Vision 3. I looked about the phone, the features and the processor and everything got not very good, and the 4 lakhs. So let me give you the physical features and hardware and software all about this phone. You see, this phone is powered by Snapdragon 653, which is quite fast. And let me tell you, the camera, the phone has got a 13 megapixel of camera autofocus with an aperture of 2.0. Talking about the front camera, the phone has got a 8 megapixel front camera with also aperture to 2.0. Now talking about Android, the phone is got an Android Marshmallow, which doesn't matter much for basically this price point. And now coming up to the battery, the phone has got a 4000 mAh battery, and which is very good. And now the UI, basically the company uses their own UI, which is not very bad or not very good according to me. So that was all for today. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe.